this problem, we want to find a vertex, axis symmetry, min or max, and the graph of the function. So we've got f of x is equal to negative x plus 4 squared plus 2. And this is in standard form. Remember, standard form looks like this. A times x minus h squared plus k. Key part is here you have x plus a number or x minus a number to the second power. Now the a and k are kind of optional. Now the a is the numbers in front of our parentheses, which in this case is the -1. Our h is what's inside the parentheses of the x, and its opposite sign, so it'll be a -4. And our k is a number at the end. It just stays whatever sign it was, and it was +2. Now, a is negative, which means our graph's going to open down. Okay. Our vertex is going to be hk, if it's in standard form. So it'll be -4, 2. Our axis symmetry will be x equals the x part of your vertex, which is -4. Since our graph opens down, that means we'll have a max, and the max will be 2. It's a y part of a vertex. -4, 2 for a vertex. 2, 3, 4. -4, 2 would be right here. And the y-intercept is probably a little bit too far over. So let's try to plug in x equals -2. And we're putting that back in our original function. Remember, f of x is y. So we've got y is equal to negative, and I'll put -2 in for x. So -2 plus 4 squared plus 2. -2 plus 4 is 2, so that's 2 squared, which is 4, plus 2, which gives us -2. So we've got -2, -2. Well, our axis symmetry, let me double check that. 2 squared, okay, 4, -4, yeah. Axis symmetry is at x equals -4, so I'll draw an invisible line. Notice the word invisible. Now we'll sketch this. So our graph looks something like that. And since it's symmetric to this line, I'll flip it over and that'll give me my left side of my graph, which looks something like that. Now, for purposes of the homework and for my tests, you can do the graphing on the graphing calculator. So press y equals, press clear, put in negative, beginning parentheses, x plus 4, closing parentheses, the x squared, and then plus 2. And then graph. And you'll get much better graph there than you would trying to do it by hand. Anyway, those are our answers.